All right, quick tutorial, how to download a video out of a brightcove player. Quick steps and the long way in case you don't have the share feature shown on the player that you're trying to download. So this player shows a share functionality, which I'm going to open up. And it's going to give you this embed code right here. What I'm going to do is download that and copy paste that into a text editor. Now my text editor is over here, so I'm going to show you guys what this looks like. Essentially, this is the entire text editor, the embed code. All we're going to do is strip out everything that is not part of the embed code to delete, so that the URL looks like this, and add the HTTP colon in front of it. Now this entire URL is exactly what you need in order to watch the video. If you were to paste it in here, it would pull the entire video in a player. Okay. I don't want to do that though. I want to download that video. So what I need to do is go to this cool website called www.apowersoft.com/online-video-downloader. And I'm going to paste that video here and hit download. That's going to prompt me to figure out which size video I want to download. The 1080p is 123 megabytes. That's the biggest one they have. I'm going to go ahead and download that one. There's other options depending on what you need, but it's going to pull up this video here. And all I need to do is right click, save as, and download. And you can see that's pulling the download right here. I can close this. Now, if you do not have the share feature enabled on this player that you're trying to get the video out of, there are some things you can do. So you just need to right click, open the player information, find the account ID, copy paste that. We'll paste it down here just so you guys can see. Player ID. Make sure you get it exactly right, because any of these things will, any mistake on this will ruin your URL. And the last but not least is the video ID. Okay. So now I've pasted these three here. I'm going to go back to background and make this black so everybody can see it here. So I've got the account ID, player ID, and the video ID. Account ID, player ID, video ID. Now, what you see up here is a deconstructed template that shows you where each of these go. So now I'm going to take my account ID, copy this, I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to take my player ID, paste it here. I'm going to take my video ID and paste it here. Now, I've just rebuilt this player, it's the exact same video, and I'm going to compare it with this. You can see that these are the exact same URLs. So if I was to do the same thing and drop this video in here after I'd rebuilt it, it would download the same video. Okay. So this is going to be in the comments if you want to download this, and then any of the videos that you're trying to download, you just simply right click to get the player information and pull those three pieces out of the player information, and you should be able to download. Hope this helps.